Lok Sabha has been adjourned yet again. So Lok Sabha has now been adjourned till 3 p.m. This is after disruptions being witnessed yet again in the Lok Sabha. So the opposition, remember, has been raising questions on Adani. Sabyasachi continues to stay live with us. Sabyasachi, just a few days ago, the opposition and the government seemed to have come on a consensus where discussions were also to be held on Samvidhan. But clearly, yet again, we're seeing adjournments in the House.
Well, that's right. The day Lok Sabha Speaker met with all the floor leaders of the opposition parties, in fact, the Congress Member of Parliament had given assurance that they would cooperate with the list of business in the House because of the continuous pressure from other political parties like the Trinamool Congress or the Samajwadi Party. In fact, the Left Front, which feels that one issue cannot overshadow the entire Parliament session. But it seems that the Congress Party will continue to raise their voice, demanding for a JPC into the Adani controversy. Now the Congress Party have decided that if not inside the House, they would continue to protest outside the Parliament demanding for a JPC. Today also we had seen that Mr. Rahul Gandhi along with several other Congress Member of Parliament wearing colourful clothes and protesting against the central government. Today also while discussion was going on inside the Lok Sabha, there was continuous protest from the opposition side demanding for a JPC inquiry into the Adani controversy as well as discussion on other pressing issues that the opposition wants.
Yes.
So clearly the logjam continues between the center
and the opposition. So Sabyasachi, request you to stay with us just a moment. Let's play out for our viewers the disruptions that led to the House being adjourned yet again.
रेलवे मंत्री का जवाब को आप सुनना चाहिए करते हैं कि सदन की क्या कार्रवाई होगी और जब बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी में आपने ये तय किया बिजनेस एडवाइजरी के शून्य प्रहर में पहले कहा था हम निशिकांत जी को हम अवसर देंगे और फिर गरिमा हमेशा भारतीय जनता पार्टी बनाए रखती है और हमेशा ही संसद में एक सकारात्मक एक कंस्ट्रक्टिव डिस्कशन हो कहा गया है रेलवे मंत्री का जवाब को आप सुनना चाहिए करते हैं कि सदन की क्या कार्रवाई होगी और जब बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी में आपने ये तय किया बिजनेस एडवाइजरी के शून्य प्रहर में पहले कहा था हम निशिकांत जी को हम अवसर देंगे और फिर गरिमा हमेशा भारतीय जनता पार्टी बनाए रखती है और हमेशा ही संसद में एक सकारात्मक एक कंस्ट्रक्टिव डिस्कशन हो.
So, Sabyasachi, we just played out what happened. Disruption being witnessed yet again, sloganeering continuing in the Parliament, after which it was adjourned. We've seen over the entire course of this session, time and again, it's the same story.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. Time and again is the same story that is happening inside the Parliament. We had seen that the government was stating for the opposition MPs to maintain calmness inside the House because important bill like the Railway Amendment Bill was to be present by the Railway Minister, and they were asking the opposition Member of Parliament to hear out what the Railway Minister has to say. But clearly the opposition MPs was in no mood to let the House function because they were continuously demanding for a JPC investigation into the Adani matter. We had seen that this particular demand have been continuously coming in from the Congress Member of Parliament despite dissatisfaction coming in from political parties like the Trinamool Congress, the Samajwadi, the NCP and the Left Front. Despite that, the Congress Member of Parliament continue with their demand for a JPC investigation into the Adani controversy, and the entire winter session, in fact, the Congress party have decided that they would continue to press for their demands until and unless the centre government is ready to have a discussion on that. Meanwhile, the central government clearly have attacked the Congress party over its alleged link to George Soros and as well as foreign funding, and knowingly disrupting the House so that the move towards Viksit Bharat does not happen. And clearly the BJP has accused the Congress Member of Parliament for creating disruption in the House knowingly and not letting the House function.
Okay, all right. So yet again we are seeing disruptions. In fact, we have some of the reactions also coming in. Let's listen in.
Today, most unfortunate incident happened in Lok Sabha. Most defamatory words used against a leader of opposition, an honorable Wayanad member, an entire Congress party, which is not at all acceptable. And in the history of this parliament, this type of derogatory remarks never used. We are totally pained. The member who spoke about these things should be given an apology, and speaker should take necessary action. This is what we are demanding for an action from the speaker.
So the war of words still continues. Remember, the opposition has also been accusing the centre of not allowing the House to function, while the centre says that it's ready for discussion, but the opposition just does not let it happen. We're keeping a track of the developments there, slipping into a quick break. We'll be right back to stay with us.